nothing new. Yeah, I shorty diamond, she got in the groove. Yeah.
What is up, YouTube? I'm back with another video. I know I'm coming to y'all hit, but I'm not finna be looking hit at the end of this video because I'm finna do a hair tutorial, and I know I have not done a hair tutorial in a good little minute. Oh, it's hot. But I'm gonna be doing one today with Klaiyi hair. Go purchase their hair. They sent me 3 bundles of Brazilian curly and a light brown closure, which I will be showing to y'all. And let's show y'all the closure. This is really nice hair. I mean, there's some shedding and, you know, normal stuff, but other than that, it's pretty nice hair. Here's the closure. It's light brown. So yeah, so yeah, that's their hair. But today we're not going to be using the closure. We're going to actually be doing a ponytail with their hair. We're going to be doing either a bun or a ponytail. I think I'm going to do a messy-ish bun or a messy little ponytail or high ponytail, like right here. But I'm not going to talk too much. I'm going to just let y'all watch and see how to do it. Watch and learn, because, you know, this is easier for me and you. So, enjoy. So, the first thing I'm going to do is, like, take out my hair out of the ponytail it already was in. I know it looks a hot mess, but don't worry. We're going to get that together. So, I'm going to take my spray bottle and spritz it all over to make sure it's, like, wet enough for me to manipulate it pretty much. So, yeah. Then I'm going to comb out my hair to make sure I can manipulate it easier and with no bumps or lumps. And then I'm going to take my gel, scoop my brush into my gel, and brush it just like that. I will then kind of like scoop my hair into the ponytail where I want, like where on my head I want it, and just start to smooth it down with the brush and, you know, all that, so I can get it in the right spot and make it nice and smooth. After securing my ponytail, I'm going to spray my Got To Be spray, which I use for all my ponytails, all around my head, all around the perimeter of my head. And then I'm going to brush it with my brush to smooth it out and just make sure it dries properly. Then I will spray my ponytail to make it easier to manipulate so I can braid it down. I'm now doing a little braid or plait in the back of my head, going backwards, because that's how the ponytail will be going. And it doesn't have to be perfect, so, you know, go ahead and just do what you gotta do, period. I am now spraying my Got To Be sprayed again on my hair and smoothing it out, but this time I will use a blow dryer to dry it up to make it, you know, stiff and hard. I literally have no storage, so I'm trying to hurry finish this video as quick as possible. But let's just get right to it. So basically what you're going to do is take 2 ends of the width of the one bundle and pin them together, and take those pins and put it on the end of your braid and just start wrapping continuously until you get it all the way to the top of the braid. So once you reach the end of the braid, you're gonna take a piece of hair. You're gonna wet it first and make sure it's combed down thoroughly. And then I'm gonna add the got to be sprayed and basically do the normal wrap around the weft to hide the weft, basically. I ended up actually repeating this twice because the piece of hair that I got, it was not enough to cover the whole rubber band and weft because my rubber band was pretty fat. But yes, I did that. And to hide it some more, I took my pins out that were exposed, and my ponytail was still secure after that. So So after you do a few touch-ups, your ponytail should look pretty put together and neat at the top. And I'm just going to touch it up a little more with some gel in the front and, you know, whatever you need to do. But after that, I'm going to go ahead and wrap it for a few minutes just to lay it down properly. So y'all, this is the end result of the ponytail. I try my best to make it look natural as possible. So that's why I gave it this like messy-ish look. And I didn't do no edges or nothing because I don't really like doing my edges anyways. But, you know, this is the finished look. I hope y'all enjoyed the video. Make sure to go check out Klaiyi hair. And all the information on that will be in my description box. Let me know what videos y'all want to see. Don't forget to turn on that post notification bell to get notified when I post. And follow my social medias to stay updated. But anyways, yes, y'all. Like, comment, subscribe. You know the drill. And I'm going to see y'all in the next freaking video. Period, poo.
I'm a big dog off the leash. Now I can step on my pivot. Why my ain't boots on my feet? Diamond they hit like I leave. These niggas frost on the leaf. Soon as they hop up and leak, whoa, sticks gon' chew the ball up.